And I want to say tonight that I too am happy that I did not sneeze. Because if I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been here in 1960, when students all over the South started sitting in at lunch counters. And I knew that as they were sitting in, they were really standing up for the best in the American dream, and taking the whole nation back to those great wells of democracy, which were dug deep by the founding fathers and Declaration of Independence and Constitution. If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been around here in 1961, when we decided to take a ride for freedom and ended segregation in the interstate travel. If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been around here in 1962, when Negroes in Albany, Georgia decided to straighten up their backs. And whenever men and women straighten up their backs, they are going somewhere, because you can't ride a man's back unless it is bent. If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been here in 1963, when the black people in Birmingham, Alabama arose the conscience of this nation and brought into being the Civil Rights Bill. If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have had a chance later that year in August to try to tell America about a dream I had had. If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been able down in Selma, Alabama to see the great movement there. If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been in Memphis to see a community rally around those brothers and sisters who are suffering. I'm so happy that I didn't sneeze. And then I got into Memphis, and some say that the threats, or talk about the threats that were out. What would happen to me from our sick white brothers? Well, I don't know what happened now. We've got some difficult days ahead, but it really don't matter with me now, because I've been to the mountaintop. I don't mind. Like anybody, I would like to live a long life. Longevity has its place. I may not get there with you, but I want you to know tonight that we as a people will get to the promised land. And I'm happy tonight. I'm not worried about anything. I'm not fearing no man. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord.